Hi guys, good morning. Today I will teach you how to make aniseeds tea. This aniseeds here, and it goes like €3 and 30 cents. Then all you have to do is just to boil it. Like you boil it for 5 minutes. It depends how strong your tea. So I put 3 spoons of it, tablespoon, and 1 cup of water. But you can make it also more, 2 cups if you want. And this aniseed is good for your cough, colds, which I had it now for almost 2 days or 3 days already. Yeah, so then after you boil it like 5 minutes, or you can make it, depends how, as what I said, if depends how you strong your tea is. So, and then just put it in any of container you want. Yeah, so it's a bit concentrated. There's one, and allow it to settle after like 3 minutes or 1 minute. And then you can also strain. This is very good for phlegm, especially if you have colds or cough. If your chest have a problem, like you're coughing a lot. This is already tested and proven for me and for my family, for my husband. We've been trying this for many years. And you can take this in every morning, guys, or you can after breakfast. Make sure to take it with food in your stomach. And also you can take it 3 times a day if your chest is really bad or you're coughing a lot. And then after that you strain. Make sure to strain. Don't drink it without straining because it's a lot of seeds. Don't drink any seeds, okay? Be careful because this can come into your stomach or intestine. Okay, make sure to strain and let it like 5 minutes to settle down. So it will, any particles inside of it, it will be settled down. So after you strain it the strainer should be very thin, so it will nothing will go through on it. See, this is the strainer, and then this is your aniseeds tea, which really very good for those who have cough, also colds or flu. Try, guys, it's very helpful. Of course, you need if it is very bad, your cough and flu, is good, better to go to the doctor. But this is just like a tea, you know. It's like everybody drink tea, green tea or chamomile or any tea, ginger tea. So this is like I can recommend anybody to drink this. This can be after food. Okay, guys, I hope this will help you. And just try it. There's nothing harm in trying. This is just like a tea. This is not like but be careful to those who have allergy for aniseeds. Okay, this is how it looks like. I will open it for you, how it looks like really. This one here, the aniseeds. You see, so dried seeds, which you can buy it also in a Smart or any store here in Cyprus. I don't know in anywhere you can buy also, but there is also there are some already aniseeds tea bags, you know, you can buy it, it's ready already. But this is very good because it makes a little bit concentrated and it helps your phlegm. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. And this is just a little bit of for those who are information for those who are coughing. And if you can read in the internet, it's really helpful for our colds, cough, and phlegm in your chest. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can like, also share or comments. And thank you guys and have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.